Good morning and welcome still from the very beautiful Bali. So first of all, thank you for some of your responses to the last vlog. Just a second. So I'm gonna have some breakfast, then I'm gonna drive back to Ray-Ban Asia to try to, I don't know, get my money back or something for the glasses that I bought yesterday because they literally just popped off my head the same day. So yeah, tonight there's like a networking garden party at the co-working space I'm currently using as like yeah, sort of an office. But first, breakfast. There we are. That's a bit of a better background, isn't it? So, you won't believe it, I actually got my money back for the sunglasses and got some new ones. Now we're at the Tenenungang waterfall and I'm just gonna show you what it looks like and yeah, record some footage. Wow, how beautiful was that waterfall? That's definitely one of the most beautiful that I've seen out of all three. So I'm now at Baru, I think Thor Barung. Well, Barung means restaurant in Indonesian, I think. So yeah, let's see what kind of food they have here. Hello and welcome from this pretty random spot in Canggu. So what happened yesterday after food? Not much actually. I did go to the garden party in the end. Before that I met with a friend for a high tea. Yeah, I didn't stay for long at the garden party, but yeah, it was nice. And today it's my birthday! So that's why I'm in Canggu. I'm meeting my friend Vito in a bit, who I'm living with. Yeah, I think the plan is to go to a beach club or something. Yeah, I have no clue, but you're gonna find out right now. And of course see some scenic footage from along the way. Alright, I hope you can hear me again, because I'm back to my GoPro. Alright, so you just saw Echo Beach. There was some really nice live music, a sunset, and yeah, so now I'm at the restaurant where Vito wants to meet me. Let's see what this is. So, hello and welcome at this beautiful spot. Behind me, that's actually a hotel, not a temple or anything. The last thing that you saw was me in Canggu celebrating my birthday at Old Man's with Vito and some of his friends. Had a really good time. Right now I'm on my way to Sweet Orange Bagung. That means Sweet Orange Restaurant for some nice breakfast. So I'm going to be working at Ubud, the co-working space, again today. If they allow me to shoot some footage there, I will. And otherwise, the next thing you'll see is scenery. So, let's go! So, the last thing that you saw was me going to Ubud. That's the co-working space I've been using as an office. And yeah, now I'm with my friend Nick. I already met Nick on my second day here. I just randomly met him on the street and yeah, we got to talk.
Yeah, I was with this guy. Yeah. So today we are in Arma Museum.
Okay, well let's see your show tonight then. What is it about? What is your show about?
So my show is about Legong Telek, you know?
Legong Telek?
Yeah, Legong Telek is one of our sacred dance for. So we just always showing our big performance at the temple.
Okay, well, let's see.
Yeah.
Where are we going to?
To the painting store.
The painting store?
Yeah.
Okay. Closed?
Yeah, close.
Also closed.
Yeah, all closed. All closed, bro. My old artisan in Ubud.
Okay, and he make music.
Sim, só. Perkenali Jerman.
Right, so that was Nick's show at Arma. It was a pretty cool show. He played the big white monster, and yeah, it was cool to see like a traditional Balinese dance, I suppose. Today I'll be mostly editing. A friend is coming over later, and we're gonna hang out for a bit. For now, I'm gonna close this vlog. I hope you liked it, and please let me know again what I can improve or what you would like to see. But for now, see you next time.